Yo, you know the vibes. G Talk 2020, Tone Diesel right here. G Talk 2020, another viral video, another code drop. About to see what we got from the people at Phli. Shout out my brother Dave Jeff. You feel me? Something he just dropped. I know what it is. I'll show y'all what it is. Tell me one time. You know. What up, y'all? What up, gang? Going drops. Shout out Dave Jeff. Shout out Phli. Show y'all what I got. Show you the goodies. I've never seen a bag like this before. This hard as hell to be healthy, bro. Alright. Got it open up. See what it say. Got that young Phli. Real deal. Got that squad shirt on. You know I had to get it. It's Black Jesus on it. This shit hard. For sure, for sure. I'll take this shirt off now. Put it on. Show y'all what it look like. You know, we'll throw that to the side. Shout out Glorious too. Shout out Glorious Clothing Line. You know, it's family. Got it on. Let's do it back so y'all can see me. Make sure y'all can see me. What it look like. One time for your mind. Got that fresh squad on. Pull my chains out. Let y'all see me. What I look like. So there it is, y'all. Squad shirt. Phli. Black Jesus on it. Let y'all get a good view on me. You feel me? Shout out to the Don DeVest in the cut, man in his business. Chilling, I'm supposed to be chilled. And the bamboo plant. But that's it. Real quick, real brief unboxing. The new Phli gear squad. Shout out Dave Jeff. Shout out Black Jesus. Shout out Phli. I'm the host, Tone Diesel, G Talk 2020. Y'all tune in. Got more unboxings, got more views, more videos, more interviews coming. Love y'all. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be prosperous. Peace.